Come create this sweet strawberry flex frame purse with me. You'll need a 10cm flex frame and some faux leather. Cut out your faux leather and iron on your HTV seeds. Let's get stitching. Start by sewing the small flower to the top green template piece. Next, line up the top green leaf and you want to sew this to the main red strawberry template. You'll pass your needle through, which is knotted at the end, and you want to sandwich all 3 layers of your faux leather together. Once you've got everything lined up, you simply want to sew all the way to the edge and then back again to the other side, which will create a simple straight stitch, and then you want to go all the way back again until you've created a solid line. To tie off your thread, simply pass it through the seam as I'm showing here and creating a loop, which will then, when you pull tight, form a knot, and then simply trim your excess thread. The first side's complete. Go on and create the other side and you're ready to sew your 2 sides together. You will want to thread your needle with a generous length of floss and you're simply going to sew around the edge. Start from one side near the top and sew up, and then you're going to sew all the way back down again. Remember to insert your side tabs if you're using 2 to create a strapped bag. Make sure you pop one on each side as you sew around. Take your time stitching so that your stitches are neat and tidy. This is always the best part. As you can see here, we are inserting the side tab, passing the needle through all 4 layers of faux leather, using the holes as a guide, and we've sewn back round the other side at the very end here, where I am showing you how you tie off and create a knot. You can see I'm passing the needle through the seam, creating a loop, taking the needle back out again through another stitch, there we go, pulling tight and creating a knot. And we'll just trim that floss. Right, we're ready to insert your flex frame. These are really easy. You just want to slide it through the 2, there we go, the 2 loops that we've created, and to attach you simply want to get your little bar, slot it down through the holes and close the top using a pair of pliers. There we go, and we're complete.